The ever evolving world of science. Grade 7 Science. Detailed notes. Introduction. The spirit of scientific exploration. Science is not just about learning facts, but about curiosity, experiments, and questions. It helps us explore everything from the smallest cells to the largest stars. Encourages learners to go beyond the textbook and become active explorers of the world around them. Learning takes flight. The design of the book, page numbers like butterflies and paper planes, symbolizes the joy of free thinking. Even simple things like a paper plane can spark scientific thought, for example, flight and aerodynamics. Learning is like flying. When curiosity leads, knowledge soars. What is science? Science is a way of thinking, a process of asking and investigating, a tool to understand our environment. Encourages stepping out of the classroom into the real world to observe and experiment. Science as an ongoing process. Science is always evolving, new questions, new answers. Observing, asking questions, and testing ideas are key steps in the scientific method. The chapter introduces the idea that science is also about responsibility, not just discovery. Why is science important for life? Science helps us understand the natural world, improve society and technology, solve environmental challenges, create a more sustainable future. What will you learn in class 7? The chapter gives a preview of topics covered throughout the year. Number 1. Properties of materials. Every day, questions lead to science. Why are some fruits sour? What happens to healthy stains in water? Leads to exploring acids, bases, indicators, and chemical properties. Number 2. Electric circuits. Play with batteries, wires, and bulbs. Learn about conductors, insulators, and electric current. Understand the flow of electricity and what materials allow it to pass. Number 3. Types of changes in materials. Changes in matter can be reversible, like melting ice, and irreversible, like ripening fruit. Heating affects the speed and type of change. Leads to understanding physical and chemical changes. Number 4. Heat and water cycle. How heat flows from one object to another. Evaporation and condensation in the water cycle. Real life examples like glacier melting, cloud formation, and underground water flow. Life processes in living beings. This is the 5th. Why and how do we grow? Basic life processes: nutrition, breathing, circulation, growth. Plants also perform life functions. They make food through photosynthesis. They respire, grow, and respond to the environment. Time and motion. What is time? How did people measure it before clocks? Learn about shadows and sundials, concept of speed, time, and motion. Number 7. Light and shadows. Light helps us see, form shadows, and study celestial phenomena. Learn how eclipses occur due to the shadows of Earth and Moon. Questions about light have helped scientists understand the universe better. Movements of Earth and Moon. Earth's rotation gives us day and night. Earth's revolution gi- around the sun gives us seasons. Moon's movement causes phases or eclipses. Understanding these motions helps us appreciate our place in our the solar system. Thinking like a scientist. Asking questions is as important as finding answers. Hands-on experiments helps in understanding theories. Even when an experiment confirms an expected result, it can lead to new questions. Activity 1.1, question the answer. Mind it, question the answer. Usually in school we answer questions. So here you are asked to create questions for given answers. Encourages creative thinking and scientific imagination. Examples from the textbook. The answer is just add some milk. Possible question: what should I do if the tea is too strong? Answer: because the cat's teeth were crooked. Possible question: why couldn't the vet fix the cat's smile? Answer: don't panic. I have my towel. Possible question is, what did the astronauts say after landing on a strange planet? Answer: 42. Possible question is, what is the answer to the question no one remembers? Key takeaways. Science is a way of exploring, discovering, and thinking. It is interconnected topics in physics, chemistry, biology, and earth science all linked together. Being a good science student means being curious, observant, and responsible. Thank you very much.